Tonight's prompt, really easy. Here we go. The moment when the mood changed. Not only is this a moment when action takes place, something affects something else, but it's a moment when there is emotional content. You might take this, if you're writing political comedy, as the moment when the mood changed in the Democratic Party, or the moment when the mood changed in the electoral process, or the moment when the mood changed in the country, or the moment when the mood changed in the state, right? I have a story about some events right after 9/11 that are really about how the mood changed in the country. On the other hand, if you're writing purely observational comedy, it might be a series of very specific observations about how the mood changes at a party, or how the mood changes at dinner, or what the things are that change the mood of a room. If you're doing the sort of introspective stuff that I am often doing now, it might be, what caused my mood to change? Where was I before? What happened? How did I change? Whether you go by storytelling or single joke observations, or even linguistic examination of what it means for the mood to change, or what generally occurs around a mood changing, does not matter. That moment contains within it all the needs for comedic conception and structure. That moment of mood change, however you interpret it, contains within it everything you need to create comedy, to create jokes, to structure laughs from other people by structuring your language to elicit them. If you want tools and techniques to help you with this kind of thing, start joining us on Tuesday evenings. Go to activevoiceproductions.com/humor and sign up. We're happy to have all the joke writers, comics, humorists, and storytellers who want to show up. Be there.